How to fix Android battery drain. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Android battery drain. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Battery drain on Android devices is a common issue that can be caused by several factors, including ROG apps, background processes, or even system settings. So in order to fix this issue, you simply need to first of all check the battery uses. Open settings on your device. Select battery option. Scroll down and tap battery uses by app. Look for the application that are using an unusual amount of power. If an app you rarely use is high on the list, that could be the culprit. Simply you have to disable or uninstall the battery draining application. For that, you need to come back to the same settings page. Go to apps. Now tap app management at top. Select the search bar at top and type in the application that is draining your battery. Open it, and then once you're on the app info section, you can either force stop to temporarily stop it or install or uninstall to remove it completely. You need to check for the resource-heavy apps like social media, games, or poorly optimized apps. The third step that you can follow is simply turn off the background app refresh. You can simply restrict the background activity. For that, open settings and then you have to go to the apps, and on the same app info section of the application that is draining your battery, simply you have to select battery users option. And then here you will see background activity. Make sure to toggle the button off for allow background activity so that this will help to restrict the background data for apps. If your issue has not been yet resolved, you have to simply follow the next step, that is reducing the screen brightness. It is also one of the biggest battery consumer. Simply swipe down from top of the screen to access the quick settings menu, and here with the help of the slider you can adjust the brightness slider and lower it so that we can help to resolve the battery draining issues. Once you have followed all the steps, your battery drain problem will be resolved. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.